Yeah, yeah. Come on in, Jor. Welcome to my channel. My name is Maggie. Your home for D.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Maggie. I am going to refresh these 6 old mini braids. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So yesterday I washed my hair. Now it's clean, it's melting. So this is the growth so far. As you can see here, that's how my hair is looking. It's a bit dry, it's fine. So what I'm going to use, this is water with leave-in conditioner and the gel leave-in conditioner. That's what I'm going to use. Castor oil, what is almost finished. So I have the replacement. I also have this oil. All right, okay guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna put my hair in one place, then I'll just do section by section. So I'm just starting from that side. As you can see, I spray water that is mixed with leave-in conditioner and just water. When my hair is down, I add a little bit of leave-in conditioner, I add a little bit of hair butter, then I add also hair oil, then I unravel the braid, I finger detangled. After that I just re-braid once again. One thing that you need to understand when you are dealing with braiding mini braids, when you are removing them, make sure you are very gentle, make sure your hair is not dry and it's well moisturized. So here I was just taking my time, very gentle. If I feel a knot on my hair, I just finger detangle it. I did not use any comb. I did not comb my hair when I'm re-braiding. I don't comb my hair. I just finger detangle everything. So guys, if you are still watching, please subscribe, comment and share this video, and I hope to see you next time. Just enjoy the rest of the video. I love you. So yeah, I wanted to see how long my hair is, so that next month, in fact, when I unravel this mini braids, I will come to this video and compare and just see how long it is, how many inches and stuff like that. So yeah.